Hello students, marketing class, SWOT analysis part 3, the final part. Don't worry, the confusion is almost over. We went through this in class. If you didn't go through this in class with me, you might want to open up this PowerPoint, SWOT analysis part 3. It goes through all these vocab words. So you're analyzing your company from the outside. There's political, influences, natural, environment, economic, demographic. You got to know what all these are by going through this PowerPoint. Okay, it gives you examples, and again, this is not easy to understand. If you just take a teeny bit of time and look through what these all mean, psychographics, technological, demographics, all these things, you will know what I'm talking about. So just like the previous two worksheets, you want to analyze your company. I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to make up a company called rifles.co, okay? So I sell rifles, all right? So you're going to fill this part out by yourself. Let's see, let's go through political environment. So I'm going to give you an example. If I am selling rifles, there are political opportunities and political threats. So let's see. USA Second Amendment protects say gun ownership. So no matter what, in the US, I will be able to sell rifles. And let's see if there are any threats. I think local government like Hawaii makes buying guns difficult. Did I spell that right? Whoops. All these typos coming out. So you want to look at opportunities and threats no matter what your category is. Let's see. Natural environment, hunting, locations, increase rifle sales. I'm having some trouble typing today. Okay. Other places like cities might not buy my rifles. Okay, city areas. So you want to think about this. Takes a lot of thinking. It takes a little bit of creativity to think outside the box. But you see where I'm going? If I'm selling rifles, I need to look at all these exterior influences on my business. The natural environment, it could include natural disaster areas, economic, demographic. Let's see, COVID-19 would probably be political, economic, social, cultural. It can be all these things. So it gets a little confusing depending on your business. So you want to think about how all these things will affect your business. Another thing for demographic is demographic means like the race of people and their ethnicity and their some of their culture, their age. Older people might buy more guns than younger people. I don't know. You want to look at all these things that have to do with your business. If you have any questions, you can always text me. You guys all have my Google number. So go ahead and go through this worksheet and fill out some opportunities and threats for all these categories.